Thank you for being here today. Despite the unprecedented attack against the Senate last night, I will address all other issues in an hour when I get all the official reports. I'm waiting from the report from the PNP, from the side of the investigation ni Sec. John Vic at saka ni Chief PNP Nartates. I will discuss with you muna yung receipt ng article of impeachment, articles of impeachment. I just want to address one issue. So may umiikot sa internet na kinonfirm daw ng PNP yung statement daw ni Chief of Staff Bronner that it was my security guards lang daw ang nagpaputok. That's fake news. Since last night, when Sec. John Vic came here, we've been hearing conspiracy theories from both sides. One side, that it's the government that attacked, and the President called me, President Bongbong Marcos, and assured me it wasn't government. Okay? But I told him our concerns about the NBI. So, and I told him, I thanked the President for the immediate call. I informed him that we're safe at that point in time, and I informed him of the inconsistencies ng statement ng NBI. But I told him I agreed with Sec. John Vic for a joint independent investigation. Bakit joint? Kasi jurisdiction to ng OSAA at ng Senate. On the other hand, I was already aware at that time na all the way to the highest echelons of government, may nagsasabi that ito ay gawa-gawa. So the accusations are all over. So in the same manner that the PNP, the AFP, mabilis sila mag-deny pag may fake news against the government, the administration, inaasahan ko na mabilis sila mag-deny na fake news against the Senate President, and against the integrity of the whole process. The investigation is ongoing at meron na aresto last night. Okay? Di lang namin nilalabas yung detalye because once you say three-letter words, di ba? Once you say that it's a certain agency, may conclusion na kaagad ang tao na government o hindi. Kaya nga independent, let's not jump into conclusions, okay? So by the time I meet you later, it's about an hour, I'll meet muna the 150 top officials of the Senate. I will give you more details about that. I also ordered the Sergeant at Arms to go to the offices and check kung nandyan si Senator Bato o wala, and to give me a spot report dun sa reports na umalis ng 2:50 a.m. There are many questions there. I will answer all of it later. Okay? He will get back. Oh, 100%. I mean, I can tell you, honest to goodness, none of the senators who were here last night knew that was going to happen. And the shots were fired from both sides. I mean, you have the videos, guys. And even before umalis si Sec. John Vic, may sa kabila daw may ano talaga. That's why I asked for access sa OSAA sa kabilang side ng building sa GSIS. But let me go to the articles of impeachment. And it will be very transparent, no? So I'll sign before you a letter. I'll give you a copy, but of course, i-transmit ko muna. But I will read it to you. The Honorable Faustino Boji D. III, Speaker, House of Representatives, Batasan Hills, Quezon City. RE, Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Your Honor, the Senate is in receipt of the resolution setting forth the Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, including all annexes thereto, transmitted by the House of Representatives. Pursuant to Rule 1 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the Senate has taken proper order of the impeachment and shall immediately proceed to its consideration, consistent with its mandate under Article 11, Section 3 of the Constitution. The Secretariat has been directed to include the articles of impeachment in the calendar for ordinary business for referral to the impeachment court, which shall be convened on 18 May 2026, 3 p.m. or at the possible soonest time absent any question on the rules and procedure related to the transmitted articles. The parties shall in due course be directed to appear before the Senate sitting as an impeachment court on a date to be determined subsequently. We trust the foregoing is in order. Thank you. Very truly yours, Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President. Copy furnished the Honorable Zara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. So we'll send this. Pagka-send, we'll give you a copy. Yung countersign. Someone countersign. SecGen siguro, countersign.
Nakita ngayon ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano ay yung kanyang pinirmahan na dokumento kung saan ito na report sa kailangan
Before I send na, yung countersign lang. Let me tell you a little bit more about the procedure, okay? So sa Monday, nasa order of business yon. Ibibigay sa rules like any other. Yung majority leader or acting majority leader, kanyang i-represent, no? The likely scenario is we will organize muna the Senate, so may mga committees, take that up. From the majority side, kasi nag-caucus kami kagabi, I don't see any amendments to the rules. So if there's going to be any, I'm not saying there will be, I want to be clear, I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi, we are happy with the former rules. Kung ano yung good na rules kay sa mga dating na-impeach, good din sa amin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung karapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema, madidelay kung babaguhin pa yung rules kasi ipapublish pa ulit yon. But from the majority, that's why sa letter, I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon, on Monday, or the soonest time, or forthwith, no? If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So, ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? And then may motion to convene. Ako muna mag-oath as presiding officer of the impeachment court. And then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, pag sumagot na, di ba, aandar na yung process. I'll brief you more about the process later on. And probably, kung hindi Monday mismo or Tuesday, we will have a caucus para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative work given the mga crisis na humaharap. Kung maganda takbo ng ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag 90-95% sa impeachment court eh. Unless nga sabi ng mga senador, pwede pa rin, bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo. Halimbawa, Alan, bilisan mo sa pagpunta ng Senate. Alan, bilisan mo yung sulat. That's under my control more or less, di ba? But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So, madaling sabihin, bilisan, at madaling sabihin, it will finish by this month or that month. But all of those will be approximations. Okay?
So,
Any question?
Yung po as impeachment court, yun talaga court read. Pero how about the trial proper?
When is the latest trial going to
Once you convene and issue the summons, dediretso na yun.
Pero yung trial proper is
Yung court, yung trial proper po ay after all the
Yeah,
procedures.
susundin mo lang yung number of days. So, walang delay yun. Kung ano na sa rules, kung ano na constitution, yun.
the trial proper maybe
Oh.
in June? Maybe in June is the trial proper? July?
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now, after the meeting, then seeing you, we're gonna make a draft calendar. So the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary. It will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na kaagad.
So ano po ngayon ang sagot, SP, doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay para ma-block yung impeachment trial?
Again, I'm trying to get a united Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First, nung Monday na hinabol sa loob, hinabol sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador, ginulpe ang isang member ng USAA, and then last night, the armed attack on the Senate. Unprecedented yan. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate. The senators are people by just simply following the law. The Constitution, our rules, and what is right. Diba? So sabi ko naman sa inyo lahat, dalawa lang libro ko, yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Diba? Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delays. I can tell you anything now, as you asked, diba, kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, then dinelay ko.
Offhand lang,
Diba?
Offhand lang, ST. For you, yung trial po ba ay dapat araw-araw, Monday to Friday, or MWF? Offhand, for you. What would you
Offhand, either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely hindi hanggang Friday because you need a motion day. Diba? So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me, is it Monday to Wednesday whole day,
Okay.
and then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday, half-day hearings, half-day, ano. So, definitely mag-extend kami, di ba? So, kung dati, nag-hearing ka either 9, 10 o'clock hanggang 2:45 or 3, and then 3 to 7 or 8 yung ano. Nagagawa naman namin sa budget yung magdamagan eh. But remember, I think mga 2 weeks yun eh, na magdamagan. So, I don't think kaya naman yung magdamagan ng 2 months, di ba?
2 months.
I don't know eh. I don't know. It depends kasi kung ilan witnesses. It depends sa articles. That's why I don't want to speculate.
Convene sa Monday. Magko-convene na.
In my letter, we're bound by that. Sa caucus, agree kami lahat. There's no reason whatsoever to dilly-dally. Okay? Having said that, syempre, kung may nag-bring up na eto yung mga ganyan, etc., bukas na yan or whatever ganyan, baka magbotohan. But so far, yung aming 13, ang sinasabi, there's no reason why not to convene and take our oaths on Monday.
Just to be sure, you are asking the prosecution team to be here on Monday for the...
It's their option.
to what, sir? To report, sir, about the articles of
Hindi,
impeachment?
kasi yung tinignan ko yung dating precedents, the article itself is the presentation. Di ba? So, actually, they can or cannot be here. Kasi the articles, dahil yan naman yung, kumbaga yun yung asunto eh, yun yung charge sa'yo. So, ang process, yung summons, para sumagot naman yung kabila.
Who will read the articles of impeachment? Who will read the articles of impeachment? The prosecutor or kayo po sa Monday?
Sa Monday, malamang yun yung, ano, yung pagbigay nga namin sa Madjo. Pero, the impeachment court has a life of its own. So, depende sa mga motions na maganap doon sa impeachment court. May question mo na.
Wala na pong debate about the convening.
On our side, wala. On the majority side, wala. Hindi ko alam sa minority.
Pero SB,
Diba? I'd like to consult them, but I'll only see them on Monday. Medyo busy sila ngayon na trinatry kausapin yung mga membro namin na sumali ulit sa kanila eh.
So may coup attempts na naman, sir? Against you naman ngayon, sir?
Suggest, ano naman, expected naman yun.
Who told you that, sir? From the majority?
Oo.
Na kinakausap nila, sir?
May invitations to talk, may pananakot, but dati na silang takot eh. So,
But your 13 is solid. But your 13 is solid.
you're always solid until you're not. But I believe in the 13, I believe in our cause.
Pero sir, ilan yung kinakausap, sir? Ilan yung kinakausap?
Hindi ko pa nakakausap lahat kasi nag-iaya nga na mag-meeting ngayon. Sabi ko, magtrabaho muna tayo, magtawagan na lang tayo. Because nga, you know, that's the nature of, di ba dati kasi ano eh, you have 3 or 4 major newspapers, maybe 4 major news networks, then maraming tabloid, then maraming radyo. Ngayon kasi with SOCMED, anyone can say anything eh. Di ba? And anyone can interpret anything that way. But yun nga ang challenge ko ngayon. 'Di ba? Trabaho or mamuliti ka. 'Di ba? So my only choice is to do the work, then be completely honest with you. So in an hour, I will be completely honest what happened kay Senator Bato and where the investigation with the PNP is. But uulitin ko lang ha, PNP, AFP, lahat, NBI, hindi tayo magkakalaban, we're one government. 'Di ba? But we have to respect the judiciary, the same manner the executive, but also respect the legislative department. So in the same manner, kung may fake news, I expect them to address that immediately.
Sir, di ba nag-caucus po ang majority bloc about sa impeachment? So, wala mo bang uusbong? Wala kayang surpresang susulpot na motion from the majority bloc para pag nag-convene na kayo sa impeachment court ay ipa-dismiss yung articles of impeachment?
So you always talk in the realm of probabilities and possibilities. Okay? In a collegial body, there's always a possibility, kahit sa minority. Kahit sabihin mong before the oath, hindi impartial lahat, merong gusto mag-dismiss, meron hindi, etc. No? So I can only discuss with you my call. I cannot talk for everyone. I can tell you kung ano na pag-usapan, and everyone said we should have the trial, and there's no, walang isa man nagsabing hindi mag-trial. So I can only answer myself. I will act in accordance with the rules. There always has to be legal grounds. And I will decide based on truth and evidence.
Sa 13, walang nagsabi na
Sa 13, walang nagsabing ayaw mag-trial.
Makakadali po kaya, so magagampanan kaya ni Senator Bato? Magagampanan mo kaya ni Senator Bato ang pagiging senator judge ng walang panganib or risk na arrest?
I'll answer all questions, Senator Moto, mamaya, but quickly, I hope so. Hindi ko hawak yung attendance at yung di ba? I hope ma-resolve ng korte kasi pag wala naman threat kay Senator Bato, gusto naman niya pumasok eh. Marami. That's normal. It's not, di ba? Parang pagsakay sa kotse ni Pia Cayetano yun, di man bawal eh.
pero kumakausap from the minority bloc. From the minority bloc.
Ang instructions ko,
Sir, kailan siya nagsimula yung
this morning, nagyayang kwentuhan. Sasabi ko naman dun sa kausap ko, sabihin mo puntahan ako, sumali sa amin.
Pero
Yan
yung
lang.
kausap ba? Kasi yung nagsabi sa inyong kinausap sila.
Yeah, I'll address that later. Later. Basta expect that. I mean, magulat tayo kung wala, di ba?
Kayo rin po may kinakausap kayo na sumama sa inyo.
Sorry?
Kayo po may kinakausap din po.
Hindi. So far, lahat ng kausap ko was in public, yung kantsawan sa floor. Tapos yung kausap kong isa kanina na nagbigay siya ng 2 pangalan, 2 senador, na kaibigan ko pareho. So sinabi ko sa kanya, umuti ko na masabi tuloy yung pangalan. Sabi ko sa kanya, pakisabi, kung gusto nyo, sama ako. Tapos sumama na sila sa atin. Natawa lang siya.
Pagkausap sa mga kasama niyo, sir, ay para pumunta sa kanila sa kabilang bakod.
Hindi. Sila ang nagyayang makipag-usap.
Yun nga, sir, yung from
Pero
the
yun nga, kaya kami hindi nakipag-usap last week kasi minsan may kasamang pananakot. We consider it naman fake news.
Ano klase yung pananakot?
Matalino naman kayo eh. Alam niyo naman yung I'll talk later.
Pero gusto nila lumipat sa kanila, sir. Pero gusto nila lumipat sa kanila.
Sir, ginagamit, sir, yung mga case, sir, ginagamit yung mga pending cases sa kanila.
Para hindi speculation.
Okay na po, thank you.